Good morning all, excuse me, and a very happy Easter to you all for yesterday. I hope you've had a great weekend. Just a little bonus that I'm going to put up on here today. It's something that I've been looking at for quite some time. It's the Sterling Swiss chart. Now, Sterling Swiss has been a little bit awkward to play of recent times, sort of fluctuating either side of my daily 20 here, my daily 50 here. We all know the story that lies below this. I mean, it hasn't wanted to crack down any further here, although our 20 was below our 50, suggesting that it was bearish. However, it has popped up, it has been testing this resistance, and it has now broken through my weekly 20 moving average. So now I'm ready. I think we're all needing to be ready to actually lump something on here, because I do believe that the potential in this pair in a northerly manner is got to be somewhere around the 180 level up to this weekly 50. My weekly CCI has gone from negative into an unconfirmed positive and now into a confirmed positive. My daily CCI is now also positive, has been for some while, and now we've broken through, or attempting to break through, this 170.30 level. The next possible, well, I mean, it might take some time to get up there, but apart from this previous high here, and I'll just pop that in there like so, if I can. Okay. So it breaks through that 175, then this has got, it breaks through this level here, this 170.30 odd. It's got a very good chance of going up to 175. If it breaks 175, it's going to go up to 180. That's my opinion anyway. Sterling does look like it's making a little bit of a recovery. But let's have a look at this on a 60-minute chart. This is a daily chart here. Let's have a quick look at the 4-hour. The 4-hour tells us we just had a little bit of a fake out. That there she goes now. It's trying to break through that 30 level, and there I'm going to place just a little order on that. I don't really care about my stop loss. My stop loss is going to be at 167.60, so I've got a 250 point risk on this particular pair, but it's a short. I say short, it's an opinion of mine. I'll show you on a 60-minute chart shortly. Tells me that it might be just a little tiny bit overbought on my 60-minute time frame. I'm just going to show you this, but you can see here I've got the 4-hour 20 and 50 cross. My daily 20 and 50 have crossed. My 4-hour 20-50 are in correct order. All I'm waiting for now, ideally, on a 60-minute chart is a little pullback. I'm quite happy to have a little one, and have had from that break of 170, but I just do believe that it might be coming to the end of its tether. Look, we've just got a little bit overbought here and here as well, and therefore I want to see these slowly catching up to this breaking level, and a couple of reds on here. So let me draw some lines on here very, very quickly for you. I want to see some red. I want to see the price pull back. As that pulls back, we can then look to go long around about the 169.50 level. As that bounces off that should take off in a northerly fashion. So if this pulls down and catches on these moving averages, these are the important two for the minute. I've got my 4-hour 20 and 50 cross. So my 60-minute 20 and 50 cross is just happening. We are a little bit overbought. Just want us to pull back to here. Yeah, let that trigger come back below the 0.0. Let it come back to the minus 100 as that starts to turn and powers up. With these CCIs somewhere in between the 0 and the plus 150 level, then we can look to build that position. But I do think this goes up to 180. There's a 1,000-point play there. All you've got to do is get the entry right. Let's have a little look here. Just where your stop loss would need to be. Somewhere around about that level there. 167.7. So it's 225 points. wait until that bounces down here, 169.50 or 169, then you've only got to play with a 100-point risk. If it goes 1,000, that's a 10 to 1 chance in any bookmakers in the UK. Anyway, that's Sterling Swiss, looking for a long play. Going to take a small one and then wait for a bounce to actually start building that position. I'll be back soon. See you again. Bye for now.